Revive your dull and hazy floors. Tired of scuff marks and dullness on your hardwood floors? Have store-bought products failed to deliver the desired results? Savera Wood Floor Refinishing has the solution. Our expert team will restore your floors to their former glory with our specialized clean and buff service. Schedule a free consultation today. Call us now to book your appointment and discover how our clean and buff service can remove scuff marks and imperfections. Restore the natural shine and luster, leaving your floors residue-free and healthy. Bring new life to your floors. Don't wait. Contact Savera Wood Floor Refinishing today and let us revitalize your hardwood floors. Call Kendall at 631-866-1972 or book a consultation at SaveraWoodFloorRefinishing.com.